Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. We are opening two buy trades here as soon as I noticed the candle showing upward moment. I open the trades because when the closing candle shows an upward impulse, it usually means the next candle should also move up. Let's break this setup down. Opening in the direction of the trend is always more reliable than trading against it. The price is moving inside the Keltner channel and right now we can see a bounce from the lower band. We also observed that both stochastic indicators are coming out of the oversold zone, which gives a strong confirmation to buy. That's why we opened two upward trades here. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now. In the final seconds, both positions close in profit. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. Here we are opening a buy trade. In this case, we are trading against the main trend. So let's observe how the movement develops. Right now a new local low is forming and after that I expect the price movement to turn upward. For clarity, here we can mark the support area and the newly formed local low, from which we will expect the upward reversal. Both stochastic indicators are now in the oversold zone, so we will wait for a breakout upward. It wasn't the best entry level. Right after we opened, the previous candle pushed down. But even with the imperfect entry, the trade still closes successfully in profit. I avoid overclicking. One good trade beats 5 random ones. The goal is flow, not frenzy. Speed tests discipline, not luck. The faster the move, the slower I breathe. Control stays internal. Traps have one goal: make you act emotionally. They show power, then vanish. I let them burn out before commenting. Real direction doesn't scream, it builds. Silence exposes the truth. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.